guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine and doing well. So today I am back with another beautiful style. In this video you will see the most beautiful and most stunning and most gorgeous collection of jumpsuits for chubby girl. I just want to bring this collection for you. I hope that you are going to love this collection. In this video you will see latest jumpsuit designs with floral designs and plain designs, printed designs and strip designs. So you can see most beautiful styles 2K20. I think you are going to find this collection very helpful for you and very useful for you. So friends, what you have to do is just watch this video for more ideas till the end. These jumpsuits are very unique and very stylish collection, so it's very suitable for a little bit fat woman or chubby girls. If you are looking latest jumpsuits in 2K20, this video very helpful for you. Choose a new design. Whenever you want to buy a dress or you want to design a dress, you can watch in this video latest jumpsuits. So please watch till the end this video. You can get new ideas and new designs for latest jumpsuits updated by latest fashion trends. So my channel is all about the ladies fashion trends, so you will find more videos of new designs and new ideas daily on my channel. So if you are loving these jumpsuits dresses, so also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon again. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video or any design or any collection on my channel. I always try to bring useful videos, and don't forget to give your feedback in comment section to tell me how was the video, how about the design, and what shape of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and what are the designs are very useful for you. And dear friends, please do support me by sharing my videos with your friends and with your relatives. And thank you very much for your appreciation on my various videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback, and their positive feedback encourage for me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and more designs for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting on my channel for more videos and more ideas. So please share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also give your feedback in comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you. Take care my friends. Bye.